a Little Ant a Short Moral Story. In a bustling ant colony, a little ant named Pip was tired of working tirelessly with her peers. One day, she decided to explore the meadow alone, enchanted by its beauty. She stumbled upon a pile of sugar cubes and excitedly tried to carry one back home. But the sugar was too heavy, and soon Pip was stuck. Her colony, noticing her absence, sent a team to find her. Together, they lifted the sugar cube and brought it home. Pip realized the power of teamwork and vowed never to act selfishly again. Moral: unity makes the impossible possible. Thank you for watching.